How to contact Filto customer support. Need help or have coaching? Let's see how to contact Filto customer support. Open Filto app, go to settings at top right corner. Scroll until you see feedback, tap it. Describe your problem clearly and attach screenshot if needed. In the email, answer this question, your suggestion to share with you, complain about and love about Filto, and hit send. And customer support team will respond as soon as possible. Also check the FAQ first. They often solve common problem instantly. And that's it. You are ready to get help from Filto anytime. If you love this tutorial, hit like, share and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.